This is a Caribbean appetizer you're gonna wanna make. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Rated V. I'm going to show you guys how to make Caribbean meatless sliders, aka Tostones masala sliders. It's kind of a fusion recipe that I came up with that fuses Latin, Caribbean, and Indian flavors. So if you like all three of those, this recipe is for you. It has three simple components, so let's get into it. First, you're gonna start off by making your cilantro sauce. The base of this is actually a vegan crema that I love and I always make. Then you just add lime, cilantro, jalapeño, and green onion for flavor. And I love the green color that it makes, and FYI, you can use this salsa for enchiladas or other recipes too. Next, you're going to mash up the burger patties. So the reason I chose masala patties is because if you didn't know, some Caribbean food has a lot of influence from Indian flavors, so this is a fun way to reinvent a veggie burger patty. I first made this recipe using leftover malai kofta, which is time intensive, but if you look at these, they resemble them a lot, so that might be a hack for later. So you just want to pan fry each veggie ball until golden brown and set aside on low temperature to keep warm. Next, you slice up green plantains. Tip: using the knife to cut around the edge makes it easier to peel. Make sure to slice no smaller than 1 inch thick, as you don't want them to be too thin when you smash them. Now it's time for the first fry. This is going to get the color and soften them for smashing. You do it for about 2 minutes on each side. To smash them, you don't need any special tools, you just need the bottom of a glass or plate. Next, you fry them again. If you're wondering if you can bake these, technically yes, but in my opinion, they don't crisp up as well, so I say live a little and just fry them for that extra crispiness, but make sure to really pat off the oil. Now the best part of making the sliders, preparing them to eat. Let's try it. All the flavors blend in so well. You have the crispy tostones with that little bit of sweetness because of the plantain. The cilantro crema gives it that nice like zesty flavor. And then the masala burgers are like spice burgers. It's just, this will be good. Well, if you like this video, let me know who you're gonna make it for in the comments. And if you want another tasty recipe idea, I made vegan fried chicken that you can see here on the card above. Can't wait to see what you guys think. Make sure to like and subscribe and get notified for other videos I do in the future, and let me know what else you'd like to see. Thanks, bye.